Hello, we are students of ArtTech. My name's Anastasia and it's Jane, and we bring to your attention our project called Mindscape. The name Mindscape comes from the combination of the word mindset and landscape. Let me introduce the concept of our project. Progress dictates a reality in which humans and robots must go hand in hand. But how to achieve mutual understanding? Emotions are an important part of human's nature. How to tell them to robots that receive only coordinates in the form of set of numbers? The answer is simple. It's necessary to provide emotions in a form understandable to robots in coordinates. Encephalogram is pictures of brain waves. Will do this job. They're a graph of the intensity of brain's response to an external influence as a function of time. You can see an example of encephalogram on the slide. Studies look to the responses of three kinds of influences: neutral, positive, and negative. For for neutral influence, they show a gray screen. For positive influence, they show pictures of nice-looking food. And for negative influence, they show pictures of wounds and creeps.
Let's move on to the process of implementing our idea. We took a coordinates of 6 graphs from the study. We processed these graphs in Rhino 7 and got a relief, which was then loaded into KUKA robot. On the side you can see how the robotic arm is using a linen tool to cut a relief out of a piece of styrofoam. The catcher repeats the coordinate of the brain waves. In this way, KUKA robot milling tool can sort of emphasize with the human. Let's move on to the result of our work. The result of our work was what we called emotional relief. It was created as collaboration between a human and a robot. And this kind of interaction is very important right now. Exploding the project. We propose to explode the relief in the following way. Place it on a wall in a dark room and display a projection on it with a laser or projector. Price. Let's move on to estimating the cost of our project. The 1x1 meter form costs $5. KUKA robot arm costs $10,000. A computer costs $600. A projector costs $600. So the total cost is $11,200. The idea is priceless. So present the result of our work. Thank you for your attention.